What you do after uploading your video on your YouTube channel can be silently killing your YouTube channel without you even knowing. Yes. So I'm going to be telling you some few things you should never do after uploading on your YouTube channel. Yes, I'm talking about some little things you would do and may not really think, you may not know that you are actually killing your YouTube channel. Yes, a lot of creators make these mistakes, and I'm going to be telling you few of it. And of course, the last one I'm going to be sharing with you today is actually a channel killer. So stick around and make sure you get all the information I'm going to be sharing with you today. Don't go anywhere. Hi everyone, if you're just joining, my name is Buki, and of course, I created this channel to help you, to help young YouTubers grow their own channel without them making the same mistake I made when I was growing my other channel where I currently have about 77,000 subscribers. Yes, I am here to make sure that you, as a young YouTuber, do not make the silly mistakes I made on my other channel. Okay, so make sure you stick around, don't go anywhere. Okay. So, the first thing you should never do after uploading your video on your YouTube channel is sharing your link. Avoid sharing your links to your WhatsApp, Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or any other platforms that are not related to YouTube channel. Yes, don't share your link to anybody. If you share your links to people who really do not care about your niche, who are not interested in your niche, let me say, they may not even watch. And even if at the end of the day they watch or subscribe, will they come back the next time to watch another video of you? No. You need to post your video to have it and have it at the back of your mind that people who really need the information you posted or you shared will come when they will come to your channel and watch it and at the end of the day even subscribe to your channel. And of course, those kind of people will always come back to watch more. Imagine, okay, this particular niche now, talking about how to grow your YouTube channel. Okay, you now share your link to a friend of yours who is only interested in TikTok, where he dance, um watch, where he can watch skits. How do they relate? Do they really relate? No. Do People who need this information are quite different from people on TikTok looking for skits to watch. So stop sharing your links to your friends on WhatsApp or TikTok. It will not help you. It will not help you grow at all. It will only kill your YouTube channel. Just leave YouTube to do their job. Let them process your video. Let them recommend it to whoever is interested in it. Don't be don't be the one to promote your video. Let YouTube algorithm do the needful. They already know their job. All you need to do is to post your video and leave the rest for YouTube to handle. Do not share your YouTube video, or sorry, do not share your link to anybody. Post whatever you have to post and move on and leave the rest for YouTube to do their job. Saying the second thing you should never do after uploading your video on YouTube is do not delete your video, no matter how bad you feel it is. You should never delete your video. If you feel it does not have enough view as you expect, go to the studio and change some little things. That is after you have seen that, after 72 hours you can go to the studio and change some little things. You can change the thumbnail, you can change the title, um the hashtags. That is after 72 hours, and you feel it's not doing enough. That is when you should change some few things. Never you delete your video to repost, because I bet you if you post a video on YouTube and you delete it again to repost, it will still not get the views you are looking for. It will not get the views you are looking for. Yes. So all you need to do is to check, go to your studio, do some little changes and see how it will go. And if you're fond of posting and deleting to post again, YouTube may ban your channel, in the sense that people may not even see notice that you have posted or notice your video. So to avoid being banned, you need to, this actually happened to me. I think was it last week, I posted some videos and I realized for the first time I was having 50 something shorts, 53, 50 something, you know, and it was terrible for me. I had to go back and look at what I have done wrong. I realized that I one of the things I realized was I had made use of a particular sound like more than 20 times. I'm not sure if it was the reason, but I had to change and re-strategize. And one of those things I did was to change the sound I use for my shorts. Yes, so you never can tell. You have to be very careful when it comes to posting on YouTube. Don't ever post to delete, to repost again. Don't do that. All you need to do is to leave it for 72 hours. And if after 72 hours there is no change, then you go to your studio, change the title, change the thumbnail, look at the keywords, your hashtags, and go again. Let's see how that will go. Don't ever delete it. YouTube will not even take you seriously anymore. They will not recommend that particular video if you repost it again. Yes, I am very serious with this. I'm talking from experience, and you need to learn. If not, you're gonna learn the hard way. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and also on your notification button so you get to know whenever I post on here. And thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.